Hey guys, assalamu alaikum to my Muslim viewers. So today is Saturday, May 12th, and I'm just getting ready to go to Kobe Mosque because a friend of mine who lives in Kobe invited me to this event that's going on in the mosque, which is to celebrate the conversion of a Japanese girl to Islam. So she wants to become a new Muslim, and I do live a bit far away from Kobe, but I booked the bullet train tickets because I really want to go and support her. So yeah, I'm just getting ready, and inshallah I'll be at the mosque within 2 hours. Hopefully it's around 8:30 a.m. so I'm gonna get out around 9 and then catch the bullet train, and then I'm just going for a day, so just to talk to her, ask her if she needs any help. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this journey with me on to Kobe. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. So I've just reached to the mosque, and there's a man downstairs explaining to Japanese about what we believe in, and basically a little brief introduction of Islam. So at this point there's no one here like in the women's section except me, as you can see. But yeah, I hope to see the Japanese girl soon. I came all the way here to support her, so inshallah I hope to see her very soon.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah.
Hey guys, so I'm heading back to my town now, and I finished my visit to the mosque, and I met the new Japanese Muslim. She has a long story, but I think it was a very emotional time at that time. Like for her to become a Muslim. I didn't want to like bombard her with so many questions, so I kept it very like low-key. And I guess the reason why she became Muslim is her encounter with Muslims, going to different Muslim countries and experiencing Islam, and basically that's how she wanted to convert to Islam. Sorry, that's the Shinkansen. So she became Muslim because of her encounter with other Muslims and visiting Muslim countries. She lived in Indonesia for a while and in Malaysia, and basically the whole concept of, I think, the oneness of God and the teachings of Islam really like resonated with her. So that's why she became Muslim. I couldn't record her shahada because I think that's very personal, and at that moment we just made dua for her and kept it very personal. So basically how she became Muslim was she said that there is no God but Allah, and the Prophet Muhammad is the messenger of God, and that's how one becomes Muslim. Sorry guys, there's too much sound. Sorry about that. So she basically said the shahada, and that's how one becomes a Muslim, and we are all basically witnesses of her becoming a Muslim. So yeah, the whole experience was really nice. I'm really glad that I went and supported her. And yeah, so I just went for a day and now heading back to my town. Make dua for the sister, guys. May Allah guide her and may Allah guide us all to the right path, and inshallah I hope this video benefited you all, and I hope that you guys enjoy this experience as much as I did. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum.